Outstanding design defines the 2009 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.